Which Book Nook DIY kit is actually worth your time and money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, breaking down the top 5 kits that deliver real charm, build quality, and that satisfying sense of accomplishment. Product number 1, Cutebee Owl Bookstore. First up is the Cutebee Owl Bookstore, a beginner-friendly kit that stands out for its Renaissance-inspired design and quick build time. Priced at $33.53, it's one of the more affordable options, and with over 4,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly resonating with crafters. If you want a charming, low-pressure project that still feels meaningful, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Owl Bookstore is designed for beginners, but it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. The 139 laser-cut pieces snap together easily, and the included LED light adds a warm glow that makes the finished piece feel magical, especially when placed between books on a shelf. It takes just 1-2 hours to build, which means you get that satisfying sense of completion without spending a whole weekend. Plus, the historical bookstore theme, complete with tiny paintings and wooden shelves, creates an immersive vibe that book lovers will appreciate. It's not just decor, it's a tiny world you can step into. Now, some people complained about the glue requirement. You need to supply your own silicone liquid glue, which isn't included. Here's the thing though, this is actually pretty standard for kits in this price range, and the snap-fit design means you don't need a lot of it. Still, if you hate hunting down supplies, it's a minor hassle. Also, the 0-star rating with no reviews is a red flag, but given the sales volume, it likely just hasn't been reviewed yet. This is perfect for you if you're new to DIY kits or want a relaxing, screen-free activity that results in something beautiful. Skip this one if you're looking for a highly complex build or don't want to buy extra glue. For under $35, it's a solid value for the detail and charm you get. Product number 2, Cutebee Corner Coffee Shop. Now, if the Owl Bookstore's simplicity appealed to you but you want to step up in scale and storytelling, the Cutebee Corner Coffee Shop might be your next favorite. At $53.99, it's pricier, but you're getting a larger, more detailed build, measuring 8.7 x 5.2 x 6.69 inches. With a rich narrative about a centuries-old London cafe. Over 2,000 sold in the past month shows it's gaining traction, and the expanded scene offers more creative freedom. If you want a kit that feels like a miniature world with history and heart, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The coffee shop isn't just a box with walls, it's a full diorama. You've got tiny coffee cups, bookshelves, wall art, and even snacks, all crafted to evoke a cozy, timeless atmosphere. The LED lighting adds warmth, making it glow beautifully on a shelf at night. Assembly takes a bit longer, around 2-3 hours, but the step-by-step manual keeps it manageable. It's still beginner-friendly, but the added detail makes it more rewarding for adults who want a project with depth. This is the kind of kit that sparks conversation and invites you to linger. Now, some people complained about the weight too. 14 pounds means it's heavier than it looks, and a few buyers said it felt a bit fragile when moving it after assembly. Here's the thing though, as long as you place it on a stable shelf and don't move it often, it holds up fine. The wood is thin but sturdy when glued properly. Also, like the others, you need to supply your own glue and batteries, which can be annoying if you're not prepared. This is perfect for you if you love storytelling through craft and want a centerpiece-worthy book nook. Skip this one if you prefer ultra-lightweight kits or hate sourcing extra materials. At just under $54, it's a fair price for the added detail and immersive experience. Product number 3, 3DVASE 888-piece book nook. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for those who love a real challenge. The 3DVASE Book Nook kit is the most complex of the bunch, with a whopping 888 pieces and an 8-10 hour build time. Priced at $76.22, it's the most expensive here, but it's also the most detailed and immersive. With over 1,000 sold, it's clear that serious crafters are willing to invest time and money for something extraordinary. If you want a project that truly tests your patience and skill, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This isn't just a quick craft, it's a full miniature engineering project. The precision laser-cut pieces snap together with impressive accuracy, and the built-in touch-sensitive LED light adds a magical glow when you open the door. The scale and depth make it feel like a real tiny house, not just a decorative insert. It's designed for adults and teens, making it a great parent-child bonding activity, but it's definitely not for the faint of heart. The instruction video helps, but expect to focus and maybe even get a little frustrated at times. That's part of the journey. Now, some people complained about the sheer number of pieces. Several buyers said it was overwhelming at first, and a few even reported missing parts. Here's the thing though, the company offers 24-month support and replaces missing or broken pieces, which takes the sting out. Also, the weight, 3-5 pounds, means it's sturdy but not something you'll move around often. If you're looking for a weekend project, this could span several days. This is perfect for you if you enjoy complex puzzles and want a show-stopping centerpiece. Skip this one if you want something quick or get easily frustrated. At $76, it's a premium price, but for the detail, a ND Chinese letter, it's justified. Product number 4, F. Soli's Owl Bookstore. Now, if the 3DVASE kit sounds too intense but you still want quality and charm, the F. Soli's Owl Bookstore offers a nice middle ground. At $41.92, it's slightly more expensive than the cutebee version but comes with some thoughtful upgrades. With 1,000 plus sold and a compact 4.5x 3.9x 6.7-inch design, it's ideal for smaller shelves. If you want a refined, compact book nook with a touch of elegance, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. F. Soli's focuses on user experience. The instructions are clear, the pieces fit well, and the touch-sensitive LED light adds a cozy glow. The included dust cover is a nice touch, protecting your work over time. It takes about 1-2 hours to build, so you get that quick win without sacrificing detail. The owl theme is whimsical but not childish, making it perfect for adult book lovers who want something imaginative but sophisticated. Now, some people complained about the size. Several buyers said it was smaller than expected, especially compared to photos. Here's the thing though, the dimensions are listed clearly, so it's more about managing expectations. Also, like the others, you need to supply glue and batteries, which can be a hassle if you're not prepared. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, well-designed kit with minimal mess. Skip this one if you prefer larger builds or hate sourcing extra materials. At $42, it's a fair price for the polish and attention to detail. Product number 5, Cutebee Sunny Cafe. Finally, the Cutebee Sunny Cafe brings a bright, cheerful vibe to the list. At $40.65, it's priced similarly to the F. Soli's kit but offers a completely different mood. Think sunlit tables, warm coffee, and a peaceful escape from the city. With 900 plus sold, it's a quieter favorite, but the design speaks volumes. If you want a kit that feels like a little slice of happiness, this one delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Sunny Cafe is all about mood. The warm LED lighting, the tiny coffee cups, and the open window design create a sense of calm and comfort. It takes 2-4 hours to build, making it a relaxing weekend project. The pieces are well cut, and the manual is easy to follow, so even beginners can enjoy it. It's not the most complex, but it's one of the most emotionally satisfying, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Now, some people complained about the glue requirement again. Yes, you need silicone glue and batteries, which aren't included. Here's the thing though, this is consistent across almost all kits in this category, so it's less a flaw and more a standard expectation. A few buyers also said the wood felt a bit thin, but once assembled, it holds up fine. This is perfect for you if you want a calming, visually uplifting project. Skip this one if you prefer dark or historical themes. At just over $40, it's a great value for the joy it brings. So which one should you pick? The Cutebee Owl Bookstore is best for beginners on a budget. The corner coffee shop adds more story and size. The 3DVASE kit is for serious builders who want a challenge. The F. Soli's Owl Bookstore offers compact elegance, and the Sunny Cafe brings warmth and cheer. Each has its own charm. Pick the one that matches your mood, skill level, and shelf space. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.